We now turn to some more updates coming in from Guyana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is having a bilateral meeting with Dominican Prime Minister Roosevelt Skerrit. Those visuals just came in a short while ago. On the sidelines of the CARICOM India Summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in conversation with his Dominican counterpart Roosevelt Skerrit, handshake and a conversation. Important bilaterals lined up for Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the sidelines of the CARICOM India Summit with the Caribbean nations. Here in the visuals, Prime Minister having a bilateral meet with Roosevelt Skerrit, the Prime Minister of Dominica. A short while ago, Prime Minister was honored with the highest national honor of Dominica. The honor was bestowed by the President of the country. Here in the visuals, Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his historic visit to Guyana in conversation with Roosevelt Skerrit, the Prime Minister of Dominica. Those visuals coming in from Georgetown, Guyana, that played host to the CARICOM India Summit a short while ago, second CARICOM India Summit in Georgetown, Guyana. Those visuals that came in a short while ago, bilateral meet between the Prime Minister of Dominica, Roosevelt Skerrit, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India has emerged as a key development partner for the Caribbean nations. Those visuals came in a short while ago. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in conversation with Roosevelt Skerrit, the Prime Minister of Dominica. India-Dominica bilateral talks are taking place in Georgetown, Guyana. Guyana is hosting the second CARICOM India Summit. And those visuals coming in from Georgetown. Before the bilateral talks, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with the highest national honor of Dominica. The honor was bestowed by the President of the nation herself. It was followed by bilateral talks between the two countries, India and Dominica. In those visuals, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in conversation with Roosevelt Skerrit, the Prime Minister of Dominica. India and the Caribbean nations have fostered deep development partnership. During his address at the CARICOM India Summit, Prime Minister in fact redefined CARICOM as an important development partner for India. He said C for capacity building, A for agriculture, food security, R for renewable energy, I for innovation, C for cricket connection between India and the Caribbean nations, O for ocean economy, maritime security, M for medicine. It is to be noted that India emerged as a key development partner for the Caribbean nations in general and Dominica in particular during the trying times of the pandemic. Thousands of critical vaccines were provided by India to Dominica. In recognition of India's development partnership, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, for his leadership, was awarded Dominica's highest national honor. It was bestowed by the President of Dominica just a short while ago on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a medal and a certificate. Here in these visuals, Prime Minister in conversation with the Prime Minister of Dominica, Roosevelt Skerrit. India and Dominica enjoy warm relations and important development partnership. India has emerged as a key development partner for the countries of the Caribbean, some of which was reflected during India's support and development partnership during the critical period of the pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is third leg of his three-nation visit is in Guyana. And those visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in conversation with the Prime Minister of Dominica.